Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to customize ClickUp task views for creative teams. First up, head to the left sidebar in your ClickUp dashboard and select Spaces. Here, you can create a new space specifically for your creative team. This helps us because it allows for a more organized, team-specific view where all related tasks can be housed. Now that we've done that, let's move to the List section under your new space. Click Add List to create a new list for a specific project or task category. The reason we do this is that lists are a great way to segment your tasks into different projects or categories, making it easier for your team to navigate and manage their work. Next up is the View option. Here's where you can add and customize your task views. Click on the plus Add View button and select the Board view. This is a popular choice for creative teams because it visually represents tasks, showing progress from left to right. Let me explain why this matters. Customizing your task views to a board format allows your team to see the flow of tasks in a creative project. It's a dynamic and visual way to manage tasks, perfect for those in creative roles. But you're not limited to just one view. ClickUp allows you to add multiple views for a single list. For instance, you might add a calendar view for deadline tracking and a Gantt view for project timeline visualization. This helps us because it caters to different team members' preferences and work styles, promoting increased productivity. The final step is to customize your board. You can add custom status tags that resonate with your team's workflow, like concept, in progress, review, and completed. This is important because it aids in better tracking and understanding the journey of each task. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, we've created a customized task view for your creative team in ClickUp. This will not only keep your team organized and focused, but also boost productivity by providing a visual, intuitive platform for task management. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.